Greetings! In this video, we will engage in drum notation practice for commonly used drum parts. Let's start with our first three drum notations: snare drum, bass drum, and hi-hat. First, the snare drum. The snare drum is notated on the third space of the staff. Now, let's try. We are going to repeat this exercise for 4 times. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Next, the bass drum. The bass drum is notated on the first space of the staff. Are you ready? Let's try. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Now let's try these two parts, snare drum and bass drum. Exercise 1. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Exercise 2. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Exercise 3. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Exercise 4. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Excellent! Now, let's practice the third part, hi-hat. Be sure to close the hi-hat. The hi-hat is notated right on top of the 5th line of the staff. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, you have practiced all 3 of the common drum parts. Let's try all 3 drum notations, the snare drum, bass drum, and closed hi-hat. Exercise 5. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Exercise 6. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Exercise 7. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Last exercise. Exercise 8. Ready. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Well done! You have reached the end of the video. Thank you, and stay tuned for part 2, the toms. See you in the next video.